Hello everyone, I am Shashank Mittal from Glocal Gurukul. I am a chartered accountant by profession, practicing in the areas of RERA and indirect taxes. Glocal Gurukul, in association with Into Legal World, has come up with a certification course on GST law. The faculty who will be delivering the lectures includes CA Dhruv Seth and Ms. Pallavi Singh. In this introductory session, we would brief you about the utility and importance of having a know-how of the GST law and why this course is different from the other courses prevailing in the market. As you all know that GST was introduced on 1st July 2017, which replaced all the indirect taxes levied by the center and state governments. GST has brought all the indirect taxes under a single umbrella, making a single comprehensive tax across India. The understanding of GST law is equally important from the point of view of consumers, vendors and business person. You may have questions like why alcohol and liquor is out of the ambit of GST? Are there still some taxes which are levied after the implementation of GST? What are the rates of GST on different products and services? This course provides the opportunity to learn GST law, and it is designed keeping in mind the theoretical as well as practical aspects which will help the candidates to expand their proficiency and blend it with real life working situations. Successful completion of the course will open wide range of job opportunities for executives who are working in various corporations, finance professionals and consultants, or any other person aspiring to be a GST expert.